Today on Apartment Touring with Troy, we are at 33 West Apartments located at 6300 Southwest 24th Place in sunny Davie, Florida. And after I'm done, hopefully this is a place where you might want to sign a lease. So let's go.
All right, so this is our Resident Connect Lounge. Our actual clubhouse is about a bigger pool, but over here it's a Resident Connect Lounge 24/7, first come, first serve. You ever seen the TV show Friends? It's more like a Friends type lounge. You get coffee, do some school work, study. How y'all doing? Opens up to our gym. All this has been renovated back in December, okay? But yeah, so plenty of space. You have your mirrors. A lot of people's favorite thing is your Stairmaster. You have your yoga, your Pilates area right here.
I didn't know this. I know I've been here.
All right. So that would be our smaller pool, our secondary pool.
So what's the hours in this gym?
It's 24/7, so it fits anybody. People work late, early mornings. Whenever you need to get in here, you're able to get in here. As long as you have that key fob, you'll be able to access it at any time. But our main focus is the bigger pool, which we're approaching. We have a miniature golf course you'll see straight ahead a little. And then to the left, you see our main pool, which opens up.
Oh, this is dope.
So this is the main pool. This is about 5 feet across the middle, but now 4 feet around the perimeter. It is temperature controlled pool. You have the 2 fireplaces on the outside, back left and back right. And then you have your clubhouse that's being renovated, which was previously a game room that's actually over there as well. Actually,
Got TV over there. Everybody's watching the game. Mm-hmm. Hey Jay, what are we looking at now, bro?
So this is gonna be the bigger 2 bedrooms. It's gonna be 1222 square feet. It's gonna have a dining room, a shower, and a tub.
Oh, I like this one, man, because this is different. The one I saw before when you came in, you had the closets right here.
A walkway area. That's the
what model was that one?
So that's the 1134 square foot. So that's gonna be the B1 that you've seen. Now this is totally renovated. It's the B2, 1222 square foot. Your dining room area right here, which some people may use it for work from home space or any extra space they may want, but it's called a dining room. You have your quart countertop, huge countertop, storage on both sides of the countertop. GE appliances throughout, which all our units have GE appliances. Stone backdrop, which is actually real stone that you'll see featured throughout the property, throughout the unit as well. Mm-hmm. Now the kitchen space is camera doesn't give it justice as far as how big the kitchen is. If you like big homes, big families, big gatherings, this is the type of space that you'll want to be able to sit all your family maybe at one table or just put food.
You don't even have to buy a table.
No,
the other model has a smaller
It's smaller counter, right. So the B2s on the second and third floors, the B2s will have the huge island. So this is the living room, plenty, like I said, in comparison to the other one, the B1, you better tell how much bigger this B2 living room space is, but as you can tell on the video, it may not do it justice as you do in person, but I can tell you, sectional couch, 2-sided couch, whatever couch will fit in the living room. All of our patios are screened in patio, keeps the sun down, keeps some bugs, gnats, whatever. You know,
we got power out here too.
This is the secondary side. You have your own personal bedroom. Now, when it comes to renovation, the bathrooms will mostly just be the frame of the mirror. It was painted, and then they changed the light fixtures, but everything else will be the same when it comes to the bathroom itself. A little bit lighter tone of the color, but everything else, like I said, will be more so the same. Now, as far as the unit itself, all the carpet has been removed. New flooring throughout the entire unit, which, like I said, is laminate. The walls have been painted a different color, which is, as you see, white. But more so, that's the main things when it comes to the renovations versus the non-renovated unit. Get started on the primary side, washer and dryer room.
Oh, full size.
Full size washer and dryer area. Maybe put some laundry detergent in there, put some clothes in there, but you have all that space. Maybe a dog can go in there, a cat.
That's abuse, man. That's animal abuse. Can't put no dog in there.
No, you could if you wanted, an extra room. But no, this is the primary room right here, 2 closet space. Now this is the shoe cloak closet. Your primary closet is gonna be in the actual bathroom itself. Opens up into a walk-in closet. Like I said, shower, instead of the tub in this particular floor plan, but a nice size closet when you walk in.
I like this. I actually like stalls better than tubs. Lots of closet space. An A1 knockdown paint job. That stays up by itself. I guess out here. Oh, a little chill spot. Tile. Well, granite countertops. Full top stove with the microwave. GE. LG. The fridge and the freezer. Nice bathroom setup. Thermostat's a Lux Pro. Oh, bedroom. Ceiling fan. Oh, I like this closet. And what's over here? Ooh, stackable. Okay. That'll have to work.